Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Nothing is more important than to build bridges of goodwill, create and implement humanitarian programs between countries as friends. VisionAid has a huge set of programs in giving education, in computers, office skills, and English, by virtue of which our students get very good jobs in major corporations like Microsoft, Infosys, and others, despite their disabilities of low vision. India International Festival of Boston is doing a great job to create a link between USA and India by producing and screening films of very high order. I congratulate them. And we at VisionAid are very honored to get this recognition at this very beautiful and very delightful show. Thank you very much for listening to me.
My name is Lalit Sudan. I'm president of the all-volunteer VisionAid USA team. We at VisionAid really admire the initiatives of India International Film Festival of Boston to increase camaraderie among diverse groups and showcasing the cultural richness and vibrancy of India. Since 2004, our teams have enabled, educated, and empowered thousands of visually impaired children and individuals in India become productive members of the society and lead independent lives. We sincerely appreciate your teams highlighting the importance of helping the visually impaired. Thank you very much from all of us at VisionAid.
My name is Veena Handa, and I've been an advisory board member for this amazing organization for over 3 years. It is my honor to say a couple of words about how VisionAid blends in Indian and US values by creating equal opportunities for the visually impaired students through our various programs, which we offer freely, whether it's computers, mobile technology, accessibility testing, spoken English, or soft skill. Our teams strive to provide equal access and opportunity to our visually impaired students to gain independence. These values of access and opportunity is the core of Indian and American way of life. Most of the students come from underprivileged families from India, and it's our privilege that we are living here in the United States and we can be part of their journey to independence and dignity. VisionAid is truly privileged to get an award for Friends of Life from IIFFB. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Namaste everyone. My name is Revati Ramakrishna and I'm the co-founder of VisionAid and also serve as its volunteer vice president. Just like India International Film Festival of Boston helps to build lasting relationships between India and America through the wonderful medium of film, VisionAid has also been building bridges between our two great countries through the medium of service and culture. Our programs engage the Indian American community through the spirit of volunteerism and giving, and our annual fundraisers, which attract thousands of viewers, bind the community together through the wonderful art form of dance.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramakrishna Raju. I go by the nickname of Ram. I am the founder and volunteer executive director of VisionAid. I think this name, Friends of India, is an amazingly appropriate name for the award, and we are delighted to receive it this year, and we thank you for the same. On behalf of all the visually impaired beneficiaries we are serving and our volunteers and supporters, so on behalf of all of them, a very big thanks to you. Let's continue building bridges together between our great countries and our great cultures through these common mediums, whether it is film or the spirit of giving or volunteerism. Thank you so much.